So here we have the Hyundai Tucson 2-litre CRDI Premium Automatic on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors. This car also has a reversing camera, which I'll show you when we're inside the car. A 60/40 split folding rear seat as well. And then underneath this section, we have a full-size alloy spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see not only is it a great looking car, but it's in fantastic condition the whole way round as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get full leather interior. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, we have a trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car, which are 12,931. The information that's displayed above that can all be changed using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of fuel economy information, your satellite navigation, driver assistance. So that's the lane assist, in fact, which you can see a full video of on our Facebook page and on our website. You can look at audio options, various things. You can set up your phone, make phone calls from here, everything. And the buttons I was using to do that are these ones just here. You've also got cruise control with speed limiter on that side as well. Over on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got stereo controls, as well as the ability to answer and end phone calls. That is, of course, once you set up your phone, which is done on the main screen. You can see this vehicle has got satellite navigation. There's a full video on our website and on our Facebook page that show exactly how this satellite navigation works. If we hit the radio button, it takes us to the main radio system for this car. You can see there that we've got FM, AM and DAB digital radio. In terms of other ways to listen to your music, if I press media, nothing is connected at the moment, but you can listen to music via an auxiliary input, USB input, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So not only can you make and receive phone calls once you've paired your phone, but say you can listen to music that's on your phone on top of that. And I mentioned when we were at the back of the car that we had a reversing camera. You can see there it's a full colour image, and you even get the guidelines on the ground showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image that you see behind you. And obviously you heard the beeping from the parking sensors themselves as well. We've got dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature independently on either side of the car. The fan speed is adjustable in the middle. That button will turn on or off the air conditioning. We then have a heated passenger and driver seat as well. That button will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen. We do have a fully heated rear screen just there. And then below that, we've got two 12-volt charging sockets, as well as the USB and auxiliary input that I mentioned previously. The fully automatic gearbox. And then just here we have an electronic handbrake. This turns on or off the front parking sensors. That's the auto hold function, so that will mean that if you come to a complete stop, say in traffic for example, the car will put the handbrake on. If you don't have that system turned on, you're there to put the handbrake on yourself. Driver mode will change the car from sport to normal, so the gearbox will rev slightly higher, the steering will come firmer in sport mode as well. You can lock the differential, so if you're going to take the car off road, these two buttons become particularly handy. But if you give that a little push, it'll let you know up on there that you've turned that on or back off again. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.